Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1966 Austin Healey 3000 Mark III Sports Convertible. We purchased this car, I think we bought it from North Carolina. Before then it lived on the West Coast here. It's got an Arizona title. And good little complete project car for restoration. This is the most desirable of the big Healeys. It has the push button lockable door handles. It has the double light configuration, which is really desirable, just like the 67s. And this car was finished in Colorado red with a black interior. It has 4-speed with overdrive gearbox. It has wire wheels, adjustable steering, so it's got all the North American specification options for it. If you look under the car, really great frame. It does need some minor little repairs around the front fenders and the toe boards, and in the typical dogleg repair, which is this section right down here. This has been repaired once, and you can see it needs another repair. So this section here, but good gaps, good door gaps, good trunk gap. I'll show you in the trunk here. It's a pretty original car. This has never really been taken apart. There's some spares in there. So it still has all the original rivets securing the rear shroud to the railing, which is nice. So trunk fit is quite nice on that car. You can see some older repairs here, but once again, the doors open and shut pretty good. Pretty normal gaps. I'll show you the engine compartment here. The engine compartment's real nice and original. It's never been messed with. Real original car. So it's the HD8s, the twin SUs. Looks really nice and clean and straight all in the front here. Engine turns over. I'm sure we could just pour gas in the carbs and stick a battery on it and clean the points, and it'll fire over and run. It may run great, which most of them do. It may smoke and rattle and need rebuild, but you know, I think this is a car anyways, just for a really good full restoration. So body's not bad. So grill fits pretty good. All the chrome, all the interiors here. The interior is actually in quite remarkable condition in the original Ambler material. I think the seats, the seat bottoms, those have been redone at one point, but the back seat area is lovely. It's pretty amazing. The top frame's all complete and original. Dash is complete with all the tricky items like the glove box lock there. That's the rarest item on the car. They're always missing, and this car has it. So but all the original instruments, switches, gauges, all that stuff. So yeah, it's a really good, tidy, complete together car for restoration. It was originally a red-black car, as you see it here. It's a 1966 3000 Mark III Austin Healey Phase 2. It's a double light. These were the best of the Healeys. 150 horsepower, power brakes, roll-up windows, wood dash, arm bars, armrest. You know, the car started as a sports car. Now it's now it evolved into a sort of this grand touring, more of a bit more luxurious, but still a great performer out on the street with that 150 horsepower engine, that quiet exhaust system, and all the luxuries and driving improvements the car gained over the years. So the 66 and the 67, they're exactly the same car. Just I think the seatbelt anchoring in the back is different. That's it, but they're absolutely identical. So so there you have it. 1966 Austin Healey 3000 Mark III, Colorado red with black, 4-speed overdrive, wire wheels. Great candidate for restoration, and it's for sale right now on our website at www.kurttannermotorcars.com.